Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the second module. It is waste generation aspects. So in this, the first topic is waste stream assessment. What do you mean by waste stream assessment? It's a means where the basic aspects of quantity, composition, and the source of waste, which is determined. And we are going to gather the information related to this basic three aspects of waste of making a decision in a solid waste management system. And this analysis is very much important and it is essential for analyzing the short term and the long term problems within the local waste management system. And it also targets on waste management activities, setting some goals for different elements of waste management plans. And this assessment, it's not a one-time activity. It should be continuous and dynamic in its process because the characteristics of waste, the quantity of a waste, and the amount of waste that it has been generated, it will be varying from region to region and from communities and all other sources. So when we speak about the waste stream assessment, which can be obtained in two methods, the first method is rationale for analysis, the second is field investigation. So when we want to speak about the rationale for analysis, here the reason for the analysis of the waste composition, characteristics, and the quantity. The major reasons are providing the basic data of the planning, designing, and the operation of the management system. And it also analyzes the data help to detect changes in the composition, characteristics of a waste or a quantity of a waste, and the rate at which the changes takes place. And it also qualifies the amount and the type of material which is suitable for processing, recovery, recycling units. It also provides the information for deciding the appropriate technology or an equipment or a machinery which is required for the treatment process. Forecasting the trends which design assist the designers, manufacture and the production of the collection vehicle and then equipment for the future needs. So this keeping this data, the rationale for analysis it is going to be worked. What do you mean by field investigation? When we want to speak about the field investigation, it may take any one or a combination of the following. So here we have three major points. One is a waste sorting, second is a vehicle weighing, and the third is a field visits. So any one it can take place or altogether three will be responsible, equally responsible for the field investigation. So when we speak about the waste sorting, so sorting of a waste is nothing but the segregating the waste in appropriate way based on the composition, based on the kind of waste and its characteristics. And the components which has taken place for the disposal sites for weighing and sampling in order to determine the percentage of the components where the physical and the chemical characteristics of a waste is going to be differentiated, and it is carried out manually. In some of the applications, we do the waste sorting even if it is in the semi-automated thing, but generally it is of manual, and its analysis is between 100 kg to 150 kg. The implementation required for the purpose is a suitable table, measuring box, dustbins, boxes or a container, and the sorted materials, and the proper platform for the weighing machineries. The second one is a vehicle weighing. So vehicles are weighed when they enter into the disposal sites once after loaded condition, and even the vehicle is weighed before the loading condition also whenever like the vehicle is under the empty condition. So the vehicle front wheels are weighed first, followed by the rear wheels, and sum of these two gives you the total weight. And this weighing it will be carried out every day of a weighing period in order to determine the average weight. And the weighing of the loaded and unloaded vehicle is accomplished with a weighing scale, or we can use a weigh bridge also. The third one is the field visits. When we speak about the field visits, this means the visiting institutional and industrial sites to identify the waste being generated and disposed. Who is going to have the field visits? A particular sector in the solid waste management, they will be completely involved in the field visits where they facilitates the industry and institutional activities, viewing the waste handling system and completing the questionnaire with assistance of the plants manager or a senior technical person who generally investigate the waste from industry and the institution. The collection of the sample will be sealed in a polythene bags, followed to the laboratory analysis to identify the physical and the chemical characteristics of each and every waste in the field. Each sample may be ranging from 1.5 to 5 kgs. Thank you.